Hi, my name is Akash and I am a peer advisor at International Student Services. At ISS, we advise students who are on F and J visa types. Before requesting for advising sessions, please check our website. You might find your answer there. As a peer advisor, I work at the front desk. In my role, I help with document pickup, answering phone calls, processing mailing requests, reviewing Terra Dotta applications, and advising on basic information such as extending a program end date, how to get a new I-20 or DS 2019 if your document is lost, stolen or damaged, changing or adding a major on your immigration document, how to get an SSN, General Terra Dotta applications. If I am unable to help you, we encourage you to meet one of our ISS advisor. When you want to meet with an ISS advisor to talk about specific issues, you have two options. First, you can make an appointment in Terra Dotta, which you can find in your My UW app. Go to Staff and find your assigned ISS advisor. And then select Request an appointment or information. Please explain your questions and concerns in the appointment request before coming to the advising session, so our advisors can better assist you. Second, if the appointment times appeared in Terra Dotta do not work for you, your second option will be drop-in session. Drop-in advising is first come, first serve model. You will get to meet with one of our amazing ISS advisors. We have virtual and in-person drop-in advising every week. To find our updated drop-in advising schedule, visit the hours page on our website. For both virtual and in-person advising, we will ask you to complete an intake form before we can assign you to an advisor. If you are doing virtual drop-in advising, please wait patiently until an advisor is available and be ready to talk to the advisor once you are placed in the breakout room. If you are coming to in-person drop-in advising, sign in at the front desk and then take a seat in our lounge until an advisor calls your name. I hope this video has helped you better understand our advising process, and you're always welcome at ISS. See you soon.